to pull into Jilly's, which is a gas station in Carwash, and we have a fast pass to Jilly's, which means we can get through the line fairly quick because we don't have to enter a credit card because we pay by the month, so I can have unlimited car washes for the month. Now, the question is answered. Which car is going to be faster? Alright, this is where people sometimes get mad because I can just blow through here and hopefully we can beat this car next to us. Beep. Beep. Oh, we just missed it. Car next to us just got through. So now we're waiting for the gate. If this car next to us pulls forward, there we go. Alright. Gate should be coming up in just a second and it'll pull around. I do like this car wash, so unlimited car washes for as little as $20 a month. Not a bad deal, seeing as the car washes here are about $10 each. So I usually go through at least once a week, so that'd be $40. So I think Mandy and I are both on this package, and I think it's about $4.85 a month. But we have a little bit better package than the base package, and we do get a discount for having 2 cars. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, unlimited car wash club members starting as low as $19.95. The thing that I really like about this place is out around front they have towels provided to wipe down your car, vacuums free of charge to club members, and like the heated little dryer thing if there's any other water blowing off, even though there is a dryer at the end of the car wash, but you know how it always leaves a little bit of water running out of all the cracks and crevices of your car. So alright, we should be pulling up and going through here in just a second. I don't think the person in front of me is here all that often. The other nice thing, I'll probably pass on for today, but they have blow pops for the kids and air fresheners and dash wipes and things, you know, for that they'll ask you if you want before you go through, which is kind of nice. It's a nice touch. So, and they usually hand scrub and hand wash it down just to kind of get everything wet and the major dirt off before it goes through the machines. So it's a pretty nice operation here. They do a really good job, and I'll go ahead and pull forward and follow their directions. That's our little communication of I don't need any of the dash wipes or anything like that today. Alright. Thank you. Alright, and I like all the pretty colors that the car wash has. So when the soap comes down and the neon lights, it's pretty cool. Meadow used to be afraid of it, but now she loves it. So I think she mostly just loves it because she gets a blow pop, but hey, whatever works, right? Yeah, all the noises and the lights used to scare her, but now she loves it, so. And I do too. See, we're gonna get some changing lights coming down with all the bubbles. Something cool about going through the car wash, I don't know. You guys probably can't see a whole lot right now because it's all sudsy and it's probably loud. front and I'll show you the vacuum stations and the wipe down stations, and give it a quick wipe down, maybe a quick vacuum on the floor mats, and we'll be on to the next task of the day. Alright, you can see this white van that is kind of pull in here. Using the blower. So, alright, we'll join you in a little bit. Take care. Peace out.